Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kwik Dryer with rolling caster base 1100 watt salon hair dryer, specifically the PIB 514 model. This dryer has gained attention in professional salons for its robust design and high-quality features. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Kwik Dryer is designed to cater to the demanding needs of professional salons. It features an 1100 watt power rating, offering ample heat for quicker drying times. This makes it ideal for high-volume salons where efficiency is key. Additionally, the dryer includes a convenient 0 to 60-minute timer and temperature controls, allowing full customization for different hair types and styling needs. One of the standout features is its fully adjustable height and head, making it versatile for different clients. Whether you're working with tall or short clients, or need to adjust the angle for specific treatments, the Kwik Dryer accommodates all with ease. The flip-top visor adds an extra layer of convenience for clients who need comfort during long sessions, ensuring they can sit back without feeling claustrophobic. Now, let's talk about its real-world performance. I found that the Kwik Dryer is surprisingly easy to use, especially in a busy salon environment. The casters on the base provide smooth mobility, so moving it between stations or from one treatment room to another is effortless. Whether you're setting curls, drying a perm, or just speeding up the blow-drying process, the heat distribution is consistent, and the adjustable temperature dial allows for a personalized drying experience. The timer is also a nice touch. It makes tracking your treatments a lot easier, especially when you're juggling multiple clients at once. But, as with any product, there are some pros and cons. On the plus side, the dryer is very sturdy, with a solid base that minimizes wobbling, even during high-speed operations. The adjustable height is also a big win for any professional, as it ensures maximum comfort for both the client and stylist. The mobility is fantastic, especially if you're working in a space that requires frequent repositioning of equipment. On the flip side, while the 1100 watts offer powerful performance, some might find that it could be a bit too intense for finer hair types, requiring extra caution with temperature settings. Also, while the flip-top visor is convenient, it can feel a bit bulky for some clients, especially if they're prone to heat sensitivity. When it comes to value for money, the Kwik Dryer stands tall. It's priced higher than many standard dryers, but it's definitely built for professional use, and its durability is a testament to that. For salons looking for consistent, long-lasting equipment, the price is justifiable. However, if you're a consumer just looking for a personal dryer at home, the cost may not offer the same value unless you're planning to use it for more heavy-duty purposes. There are also some alternative options out there for salon-grade hair dryers that might suit a lower budget. If you're looking for something similar in power and adjustability, consider products like the Bonnet Hooded Dryer or the Hot Tools Professional Hooded Dryer, which also delivers similar performance at a lower price point, though with fewer customization options. Build quality and longevity are definitely key here. The Kwik Dryer's construction feels robust, with a solid base and smooth operating wheels that make it easy to move without compromising stability. The adjustable height mechanism is smooth, and I've found that it holds up well under daily salon use. This is a dryer that's designed to last, making it a worthwhile investment for professional environments. If you've had any experiences with customer support, drop a comment below. I didn't personally have any direct interaction, but Pibs, the brand behind the dryer, has a reputation for handling inquiries promptly and professionally. In terms of updates, I didn't notice any significant changes to this model recently, and there hasn't been any reformulation to speak of. It's safe to assume that what you see is what you get with this dryer, which is perfectly fine for a product designed to be reliable and long-lasting. Final verdict? The Kwik Dryer is an excellent choice for salon professionals who need a reliable, adjustable, and powerful dryer that can handle heavy use. It's well suited for high-volume settings, especially if you're drying perms or setting curls. However, if you're just looking for a personal dryer for home use, this might be overkill unless you're willing to invest in professional-level performance. If you found this review helpful, Please give it a like, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review like this one. Your support helps us bring more honest reviews straight to your screen. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've used the Kwik Dryer, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience with it.